Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I know I'm looking a little bit crazy. I don't have any mascara or falsies on, but that's because for today's video, I'm going to be testing out a product that TikTok actually made me buy. I saw so many TikToks of people trying out this product and they're like, oh my god, you need it, it works, blah blah blah. So I figured I'd put it to the test and show you guys if it actually works. So I'm going to be trying out the Kiss Falscara. So I got the whole set that comes with like the tweezer. It's the starter kit, so it comes with the tweezer, the Falscara thing, and then the lashes. And I got this on clearance for $15 at Walmart. Ever since I saw those TikTok videos, I've been dying to try this product. So I figured, why not film it for you guys? I got the lifting kind because my eyelashes are long, but they grow straight out. So I figured this might help that problem. Now, when I saw people using this on the TikToks, I was like, oh my god, that is so cool. Like, I have to go and try that. And ever since then, it's been on my mind. And then I saw that it was on clearance today, and I was like, I'm gonna pick it up, but why not try it? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So it looks like I showed you guys, it comes with the tweezers, the seal, and then the lashes, which are actually in like little clusters, which is really cool. It's not like a full lash strip. They're like literally clusters of lashes, which is super cool. But basically, you have to apply, it says brush a light coat of the bond on natural lashes. So this side you have to brush on, a little goes a long way. And then it says use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray as shown, apparently. Oh, okay, I see it. And then one by one gently place the wispies underneath, or the wisps underneath the base of your lashes. So you have to apply them under your lashes rather than on top, which is like kind of different, and you don't want it going all the way to your waterline. So basically you just want it kind of laying underneath your eyelashes. And then after that you go ahead and you apply the seal, dab a thin coat of seal under the wisps, and that's it. So that's really easy. It's literally 3 steps. So we're gonna try it out and see if it works. Now, I don't even know if I need to curl my lashes, or I'm not gonna curl my lashes because I want to see if this works without it. So basically it's like wearing regular lashes, but it's different because it's not a full strip of lashes, so it's not going to be as dramatic, and it's something you can wear on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so unfortunately my camera lens does not zoom, but when I edit, I'll try to crop some of this, if that makes any sense, so it would be kind of zoomed in for you guys, and hopefully you guys will be able to see okay. It doesn't say to curl your lashes, apply mascara, or anything, so let's just give it a try. So first you have to apply the bond. I'm gonna do one eye at a time, but basically it comes with a dual-ended Falscara thing, and one side's a bond and one side's a seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the seal side. Now, do I put this throughout my whole lash? Okay, so you just gotta put a little bit on your eyelashes. I'm just kind of applying it like I would regular mascara. Okay. And the brush is like really, really tiny. Like, it's almost like an eyebrow brush. And they have a bunch of different styles. Oh, I said I was gonna do one eye at a time. I'm so dumb. That's okay. But they have a bunch of different styles, or they have a few different styles. They had lifting, they had volumizing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this eye first. Okay, well that was a fail. Let's try that again. Okay, so it's not really sticking, so I'm thinking I didn't put enough on my outer part of my eye, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit on the outer half here. Okay, that worked. Oh, you don't even feel it on your eye. It doesn't stick on to the point where you don't have time to like take it off and reapply it. Because you know with eyelash glue you have to be careful, because if you stick it on, it's a pain in the butt to take it off and like redo it. But this, it looks like you can like take it off and reapply it if you have to. It's definitely working. I mean, it looks a little funky because I feel like it's all like the same length and it's like really hard. I don't know, like that looks weird. I'm gonna try to pinch the lashes together with this. Let's see if that helps a little bit. I just don't like how it doesn't taper from like thin to like, or from short to long. It's all the same and it's looking a little ridiculous on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna reapply these a little bit differently and see if maybe that will help. The girls on TikTok definitely made it look a lot easier. Okay, so my lashes like pretty much stop right there. And I don't want to put them too far in because then it's gonna look crazy. So I used 4 out of the 5 little strip things. So this side was a little bit harder, or this side is a little bit harder to stick on because my lashes like really grow down on this side, like really bad. So to get it to stick, it's kind of tricky. I'm having a lot more trouble with this side, I feel like. Why is this so difficult? I feel like they're just coming off. Okay, so now that I kind of have, these look like eyelash extensions, like I just got my eyelashes done, which is not a bad look. I actually personally like it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of pinch everything together before I use the seal. Okay, so that definitely took me longer than I anticipated, but now we're just gonna go ahead and seal it before any of these start falling off. But it says dab a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and holds the lashes in place. So I'm just gonna take the seal. I'm just gonna put that under here. Alright, we have a lash that is falling off. Okay. Back to the seal again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try curling my lashes and see if that helps everything a little bit. This might be a big mistake, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, so if you notice that the camera angle is a little bit different, I'm such an idiot, and I just realized at the end of this video that my camera was not set up the way I usually like it set up. So I apologize for that. But anyways, I did go ahead and curl my lashes just because my outer lashes literally like stick straight out, and because of that it was making like the outer parts right here look a little bit funky. But definitely now that I curled them, I feel like they'll look a little bit more even and look a little bit better. Now my overall thoughts, I actually really like these. Now when I was applying the lashes, I was like, oh my god, I hate this, this is like awful, I'm never doing this again. And then now looking at the finished product, I definitely think with practice and over time these will be a lot easier to put on, and I really like the way that these look. So it says to use these when mascara isn't enough, when you love the look of lash extensions, and when you don't want to deal with strip lashes. Now, I don't feel these on my eyes at all. It just feels like, it doesn't feel like anything really. It feels like air. I don't know, it doesn't feel like anything. And then I love the whole like when mascara isn't enough thing, because it doesn't look like you have false eyelashes on, and if you close your eyes, like people aren't gonna see like strips, so it's like, oh, that's your natural lashes kind of thing, you know? In the part where it says when you love the look of lash extensions, it definitely looks exactly like lash extensions. And me personally, I could never commit to them because I just like, I do so many makeup looks. I like to use falsies. I don't want to have to worry about which makeup remover I use, that sort of stuff. I don't want to have to worry about any of that, and I don't want to have to worry about like some lashes coming off and having little bald spaces and whatever. So I could never personally commit to them, so I'm glad that I was able to get something that I could get the look of it without the hassle of actual lash extensions. Now, I don't think that this product is meant to be like lash extensions where you leave them on for a long period of time. I do think that you are supposed to take them off whenever you do use them at the end of the day, clean them, store them away, and then reapply them the next day. I'm pretty sure it doesn't really say on here whether or not you could leave them on for a long time, but I don't think I'd recommend it. But so yeah, that's just something to keep in mind. If you're looking for something that's going to have the longevity of lash extensions, I don't think that this is the product for you. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, when I was applying these lashes, I was like, oh my god, this sucks, this is taking too long, like I don't recommend this. But once I got the hang of it and now I'm looking at the finished product, I think it looks so stinking good, and I definitely think that practice will make perfect. So once you do this every so often and you keep applying them and keep practicing, eventually you'll get the hang of it and it'll be like boom, 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 boom on a daily basis sort of thing. So if you guys are interested in trying these out, I definitely recommend them. Like I said, don't be too hard on yourself because it is going to take a while to get the hang of it. For some people will be able to put them on no problem, but for me, I'm not used to putting lashes on underneath, so it was definitely a struggle, but the finished product was definitely worth it in my opinion. But if you guys are thinking about picking these up, definitely do it. Give them a try. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be super curious to see if any of you guys tried these out. Let me know your thoughts, your tips, opinions, and that sort of stuff. But so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.